If you can't get a miracle, become one. I never met a bitter person who was thankful, or a thankful person who was bitter. Fear is the biggest disability of all. It will paralyze you more than being in a wheelchair. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over. You are beautiful just the way you are. Pain is pain. Broken is broken. Fear is the biggest disability of all. Hope is being able to see that there is light, despite all of the darkness. It's a lie to think you're not good enough. It's a lie to think you're not worth anything. God's love is so real, it will pick you up right where you are. I don't need arms and legs to be happy. I need a purpose. The human spirit can handle much more than we realize. Your life has value even if others can't see it yet. Failure is not the end, but the beginning of something better. I've never met a person who's truly thankful and also hopeless. I had a choice: be angry for what I don't have, or be thankful for what I do have. The greater the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Don't let your broken pieces define you. Let them shape you. I can't do everything, but I can do something. Be thankful, dream big, never give up. Life without limbs, yes. Life without limits, absolutely.